are in Niagara Falls, Canada. Hey?
Policeman.
And there we got the Popo.
Lifton Hill Security Patrol. Oh, look at that. April the 21st is snowing. Niagara Falls is under construction. We're under lockdown, so there's nobody here anyway. I guess it would say it would be, good time to do construction, being under lockdown. But it's snowing. It's April 21st. So foggy, you can't even see the falls.
The geese are not even out.
Crazy storm. There is a barge over here. Is that what it was called? The boat?
I don't know.
There was a boat of some sort that was stuck over here for
100 years.
Yeah, 100 years. And I think it was last spring, we had a storm so bad that it moved the boat. I think it was about 20 meters. It moved the boat. So it was pretty neat, but even now you can't even see it with all the fog.
No fog or snow.
Is it snow or fog?
That's snow.
It's a crazy storm, though. We might be Canadian, but we don't always see this type of thing in April. Usually by April, we're in mud season, and we are constantly picking feed out at the barn because we don't want mud fever in our horses. Today, we're kind of getting out their winter blankets again.
Well, there's not much more to see here.
No, just more snow.
Goodbye.